Hello, you're watching Age of Mobiles, and today I have a very special unit. One of the limited phones, Nokia 7270 by Versace. So, the box looks like a typical box for shoes or bags, an ordinary brand box. We see here no stickers for email or anything else or any other information. So as I will repeat that everything look like the box for shoes or for bag. So year 2005 for the annual live ball in Vienna, one of the most important anti-AIDS events in Europe. Donatella Versace presented 727 special edited Nokia 7270. So let's open the box. So we see how it's looking here. This will slide here. But first of all, let us take it away and check things that are under main things. So here is the main brochure, the information about this limited edition. It was presented first at Live Ball. After you could buy it by Austrian official Nokia. The price was €800. So here it is. This is the certificate. So this one is number 335. Okay, so you see interesting material. It's a little bit transparent. So here down are all classical stuffs for this phone. So the owner's manual, one in English, one in German. Earphones. Two standard covers for 7070. The black one, this one from the battery, I already put it inside. The red one. So let's open it, seal unopened. It is the original soft bag for it. So what was here? See, never opened. So the strap, original strap, and such bag. Very nice. Okay, let's put these things inside, and let us come back to the main treasure. So the charger AC1E. And now coming to the most important. So Versace cover, Art Deco, yellow and black. That stayed on the phone, I took it away. And the black one. So the Versace strap is, yes, it's really awesome. It's made of Swarovski crystals. The rear side. Here's this Nokia, here's Versace. And the phone. Actually, that is just an ordinary 7270 without any themes, without any backgrounds, without any animations. It's just a simple 7270. So as I understand, that is only the designer box with some designer accessories. All other stuff is just from the ordinary 7270. So see, it's a new phone. It was made on the 4th 2005 for the live ball. There's only 7 seconds of live timer. All other stuff is same as in others. Yeah, it's pity actually. I thought that maybe they could do anything special, but you can even check here. So by product number 0518355, it's just a standard Cyrillic, Latin European product code. So today I was showing you the Nokia 7270 Limited Edition by Donatella Versace that was created for Live Ball 2005. Stay with Age of Mobiles and see you. Bye bye.